What is up everyone, how you doing, and in this video I will show you how you can fix network problem or mobile data not working problem or any problem you are facing regarding mobile data or network in Realme C25y. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix mobile data not working or network problem in Realme C25y, first of all just open settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.